Hello, everyone there at Apex Home Builders. My name is Charles and I work with Wadi Digital. We help businesses like yours attract more clients using their already existing assets. So, as we spoke on phone, I just wanted to leave you a short video with 3 tips on how to optimize your website and have more traffic going to your website. I just want to say, first of all, I do like your website. It's well organized and very easy to navigate. So the 3 tips I want to talk about, and you might ask why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because most business owners don't have find that they don't have time to actually research on how they can better optimize their asset. And also, there are a lot of SEO companies out there that promise a lot and deliver little. I wanted to prove myself by giving you 3 tips that you can use, implement today, or you can hand over to your website or SEO person to implement and help you start ranking and getting higher in Google. And now, why Google? Well, these days about 90% of adults use Google to search for any um, any local service around them, near them. 70% of those people land on the first page and do not leave. They click on something on the very first page. So it counts to be on this first page. All right. So if I was looking for a basement remodeler and didn't know the name of any company in New Jersey, I'd just type in New Jersey basement remodeling and find these all these results here. This is called a keyword. Whatever I've typed here, NJ basement remodeling is a keyword. And there are different tools out there that can help you analyze how each keyword is doing in terms of how many people are searching for it per month. I use a tool called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs can help you analyze keywords, analyze websites, etc. This is a popular tool. A lot of people use it. So I can see that 20 people a month are looking for NJ New Jersey basement remodeling. I see a better one, basement remodeling New Jersey. 100 people per month are looking for that. And then we can analyze where they're going. So 42 of those 100 are going to this first website, Finished Basement NJ. This is your competitor. And let's just pull them up. Yep, this is their website. Okay, so if you're able to rank better for this one keyword, you'd be able to grab a lot of this traffic from here. Okay, so let me not waste any more time. The 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. Content is everything that's on your front page, all the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as. Everything you can see that I've highlighted here. And just for an example, I can tell that this one picture is saved as a whole string of numbers and one letter. When Google crawls your site, it will identify these keywords these buyer intent keywords that we talked about, and will know to put you in front of that search. So it's good to even save your pictures as those keywords, as a keyword that people would be looking for. The other thing about your front page, Google optimizes to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text. And by authoritative, I mean text that shows what you do, who you are, locations you service. You've done a pretty good job with that, but I think I would increase the amount of text and also saturate it with those buyer intent keywords. Yeah, so that's with content. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. So back to the search here. First thing you'll see on this search is this area called a map pack with a map and 3 businesses. Usually there are advertisements before this, but I guess there's not many people paying for advertising. Not many basement remodelers paying for advertising, which is good, which is a hit or a miss. Sometimes people have ad blocker, so they still won't see those ads that have been paid for. But anyway, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack area? How do these guys get here? Well, it has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet that your business name, address, and phone number, exactly as they appear in Google, are cited in different directories. And by directories, I mean Yext, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, whitepages.com, LinkedIn, Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, etc. All these, Yelp, Home Advisor, all these directories. The more authoritative ones you're cited in, the higher you'll appear in the map pack. So there are tools that are used to analyze, that you can analyze your competition's citations, match them, meaning you can go in and make sure you're cited in those same directories. But not only that, you want to double or triple the number of citations so that you stay at the top of this map pack. Third section here, below the map pack, is the organic listing section. This is where your competitor is over here, ranking first. I think the statistics are about 32% of all people click on this first link. So it's important to rank up here. Now, how do you... This area has more to do with backlinks. Backlinks are wherever a different website points to your website. Not all backlinks are the same, because if a ice cream company is pointing to your website, that backlink can be considered spammy because it has nothing to do with your niche. Though if there was a basement remodeling forum in Philadelphia that liked the work that you guys do and linked to your website, that Google will consider that a stronger website. I mean, a stronger backlink. So I have a tool here, the same tool, Keywords Explorer, that can analyze your website. And let's take a look at your backlinks. You can see from 20 domains, you have about 388. You're ranking for 16 keywords, giving you about 7 people in traffic per month. Your competitor, Finished Basement MJ, has about 3,000 backlinks coming from 1,300. They're ranking for about 2,000 keywords. It's given them about 1,500 people coming to their site per month. We can go in and look at all their keywords that they're ranking for. Make sure you take the higher volume ones and make sure you rank for them, the location specific ones. But more than that, you can also go in and look at the backlinks. You can match them, look at their quality. Now remember, not all backlinks are the same, so you may not need the whole 3,000 backlinks to beat them. You just need higher quality and more backlinks. So that's what I would do. I'd analyze your backlink profile versus your competitors and have them mimic the kind of backlinks they have. But it's not just that. In business, if you want to dominate, you need to probably beat them by about 100 or 200 higher quality backlinks. So with those three things, content, citations, and backlinks, I'm sure you're going to be able to start ranking higher and pulling in more clients. Hand this to your website or SEO person. If you do not want to go with me, no harm, no foul. I hope you can start getting more and more clients coming in. But if you do want to discuss about maybe partnering in the future, remember, I am Charles from Wally Digital. And my email address is right here. Putting it here in case you need to get in touch with me. Thank you very much and have a great day.